Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we are going to talk about intermittent fasting. If you have watched a few of my previous videos, I am sure that you would have noticed that I talk a lot about intermittent fasting to stay healthy and to reverse insulin resistance and thus any metabolic disease like central obesity, diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, and others. My aim is to help people have a good quality of life now and in the long run. Intermittent fasting is a voluntary choice to eat only during a defined period of time of a day and fast during the remaining time of that same day, or the choice to skip 1 or 2 meals in some days of the week. What is the rationale behind intermittent fasting? When you keep your insulin level low through the fast, you automatically turn your body into fat burning mode. It sounds confusing. Let me take an example to illustrate what I just said. When we eat throughout the day our different meals and snacks, we store the extra glucose as glycogen and triglycerides or fat into our liver or muscles. The liver and muscles play the role of fridge here. The extra glucose is stored as triglycerides or fats in the liver or muscles, just we store our leftover food in our fridge. If you do not fast, you do not give your body any chance to use the leftover from the liver and muscles. The body keeps storing every day. It is the same as storing the leftover of your food in the fridge every day and never using them. And what happens? Your fridge becomes full. Intermittent fasting allows the counter-regulatory hormones to break down glycogen and fats into glucose. And that is the same as using the leftover from the fridge. Counter-regulatory hormones are counter to insulin, meaning that when insulin is low, they are high, and when insulin is high, they are low. Here are the counter-regulatory hormones that work during intermittent fasting. There are 4 of them. Glucagon, secreted by the alpha cells of the pancreas. Epinephrine or adrenaline, secreted by the adrenal medulla. Cortisol, produced by the adrenal glands. And the growth hormone, produced in the pituitary gland. Many people say they don't want to fast because they don't want to starve themselves. Are you starving yourself during intermittent fasting? No, you are not. You are using your endogenous energy to function. The energy from the glucose storage, the fats or triglycerides from your liver and muscles, just the same as using the leftover from your fridge without cooking a new food. Who can or cannot practice intermittent fasting? Why intermittent fasting has so many health benefits? It is not for everyone. I always recommend to consult with your medical provider if you have any health condition before doing anything new to your body. In general, intermittent fasting is not recommended in children, in pregnant or breastfeeding moms. I do believe people with type 1 diabetes and uncontrolled type 2 diabetes and people with eating disorders can still practice intermittent fasting, but in close monitoring of their medical provider. What are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Why does anybody even have to do intermittent fasting? Well, I have 9 evidence-based benefits of intermittent fasting that I am going to share here. There are still so many people that do not believe in intermittent fasting, and it is sad because they are missing a lot. For that reason, I have listed at least one study per benefit, and if you are among the people that do not believe in intermittent fasting and you would like to have more information, you can just go to the description of this video and you will see the list of the studies that I have posted. I have listed there. You can click on the link and it will take you to the web page of the study. That being said, let's jump into the benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss is one of the most known benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting helps burn belly fat for the people that have central obesity and overall fat for the people that have generalized obesity. Intermittent fasting allows the consumption of fewer meals, maybe only breakfast and lunch or only lunch and dinner. That means less calories consumption. During intermittent fasting, the high level of human growth hormones facilitates fat burning and muscles gain. And if you want to go some literature and learn more about intermittent fasting and weight loss, you can click on the link I have here for you. Cell repair. The human body has an impressive capacity of cellular repair, including eliminating waste from cells. This is essential for good health and well-being. Intermittent fasting may reduce or reverse insulin resistance if aligned with a proper diet. Oxidative stress and inflammatory are also part of the benefits of intermittent fasting. A study done during Ramadan, the Muslim holiday that requires fasting from sunrise to sunset and eating only at night, showed a reduction of pro-inflammatory markers in participating subjects. And I do have the study listed in the description if you would like to have more information. Intermittent fasting has been proven to reduce the risk factors for heart diseases, which is the #1 leading cause of death worldwide. Those risk factors are high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high triglyceride, dyslipidemia or abnormal cholesterol, central obesity, and much more. And if you do want to go through some literature to get more information regarding this, I have listed some links down the description below. Intermittent fasting may reduce risk factors and help in the prevention of cancer. This is a graphical abstract of a study that was done on yeast, mouse, and human, and it was proven that intermittent fasting reduces cancer risk in mouse and human. If you would like to have more information, you can go through the study on your own. The link is listed down below. Intermittent fasting has many benefits on the brain. It may increase mental acuity and concentration. After 16 hours fasting or more, all glucose and direct glucose storage like glycogen are used. The insulin level is low as a result. The body is into fat burning mode, meaning the energy supply for the body function is mainly from fats, particularly or mainly triglycerides. Triglycerides break down, produce ketone bodies, which are good for the brain. Intermittent fasting has an impact of preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Lifespan extension. Studies in animals may have also proven that intermittent fasting may extend lifespan. I know this might sound a little nut. For that reason, I posted many studies for the lifespan extension. This is a graphical abstract of one of the stages. If you take a look at these three animals, you'll notice that the first animal that eats all day long dies earlier than the two others. If you have gained some value from this video so far, please like and share. It goes a long way. Thank you. With all these benefits, if you are not practicing any kind of intermittent fasting, you are missing a lot. Please, I do invite you to start as soon as possible. Actually, you can start tomorrow. It doesn't cost anything. Intermittent fasting is free. Have you been practicing intermittent fasting for a while? Please share your experience with us. Drop a comment below and let us know how that has impacted your life. Do you have any questions for me? You can drop it to the comment section, or you can send me a message to my Instagram. It's usually faster for me to respond there. If you would like to be notified the next time I post a video, please subscribe. And do me a favor, please. Spread love around you. Life is so stressful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.